Well, welcome back into the vegetable garden here in the Norfolk garden. We're going to show you a little tip here, a little trick for instant composting and an instant way to increase your soil fertility and not have to worry about compost heaps and the management of compost. We're going to dig this directly into a hole in the soil. This is a mixed bucket of compost that's come out of our kitchen. Contains quite a lot of dried hollyhock seed husk at the moment because we've been preparing a load of seed for gifts. This is a really easy technique that we use all year round. Whenever we're clearing a border or we've taken a crop of vegetables out, it instantly replenishes a lot of the soil food and nutrients, and it also allows the worm population to really increase rapidly. What we're going to do is dig a hole where there's nothing growing at the moment, and we're going to directly bury that load of compost with all the liquid that's accumulated in the bottom of the bucket directly into the hole, and just simply recover it again with a depth of between 6 and 8 inches of soil. So let's get the hole going to show you what we mean. Here's my hole dug. Probably gone down about 14, 15, maybe 18 inches. You'll just start to see that I'm hitting some of the subsoil there. Got a quite good layer of rich topsoil here already, and then we go down onto a sandy clay-like area beneath it. And all I'm going to do is tip my bucket of compost out. Now, you're thinking, oh, that doesn't look too good, but there's an awful lot of air trapped in that. And we're just going to work it down and mix it with the soil till it's semi-compacted, and then backfill in with your topsoil. Now what you'll find is this levels out very quickly. You will get, over the course of 4 or 5 weeks, a little bit of sinkage as the worms find it and start working it in. But if I was to put a spade back in there in about 8 weeks' time, the only things I'm likely to find that will have taken any length of time to be broken down and carried away into that soil are hard to compost things like lemon peels, other citrus, maybe some really hard old vegetable matter. If there's any woody matter in your compost coming out of the kitchen, which there tends not to be, that may still be hanging around. But we put coffee grounds into that, we put tea bags into that. Eggshell will take a little longer to break down because the worms don't go for that, so that will increase the calcium and other nutrients that are trapped in the deeper layers of this soil. But that's all there is to it. And you can repeat that sequentially along this row. You also have the benefit of working the topsoil beautifully and taking out the weeds that grow. It's deep enough down that she might know it's there, but she'll not be digging a hole or finding any of the scents that are coming out from that. And we've got a nice empty compost bin here with some liquor. I'm just going to rinse that through one of our water butts here and use it as a liquid feed onto this vegetable plot. And there you are. You've got beautiful instant disposed compost, which will add to the nutrition of this garden and give you a lovely growing topsoil for the next season.